Hello again YouTube, I'm Trainer Jason XXX and now we're about to go to Pastoria's City Gym and take the challenge here. Another puzzle I guess. It has to do with the water. Let's see, we have a new team member on our team. That new member completes our team and it is Croc Gang, as you can see. Toxic Croc will be the final member of our team. It has the dry skin ability, so water types cannot really touch me. Let's beat this guy here. He has a Barboach. Brick break to the face. Let's put this. Now we can do what? We can go through here, we can beat this guy. Let's see what he has. Water types, as I said, cannot touch my Croc Gang. I go for the feint attack. That does take Wingull out. Another Wingull. Feint attack. It survives, but with dry skin they can't touch me with water type moves. Let's do this. Now I can go through here, fight this little girl. She has Azurill, brick break, and the Marill. Marill survives, but it's okay, a feint attack will take it down. Let's go through here, let's fight this guy here, this fisherman. He has Goldeen. What? Mud Bomb. Why not? Let's forget revenge, I'm never going to use it anyway. Barboach. And the Gyarados. And the Gyarados. Let's switch out. Let's send out Luxray. Spark will take Gyarados down. As you can see, Luxray is going to make this battle a little more easy for me when we're about to face the gym leader. Let's put this. I'm not sure exactly if what I'm doing is correct. We will find out soon. Not yet. Let's go through here. Now I can go through here. Beat this guy. He has 3 Pokemon. The first one is Silos. Wingull. As I said, you cannot touch me, guys. You should have used a move of different type. Mud Bomb, for example, I'm weak to it. Brick break, Celos is down. If I push this, not yet. Now I can face the gym leader. I will lead with my Luxray, of course. Let's see, let's do this. Okay. Gym leader, wait, he has Gyarados. I have Luxray. We both lower each other's attacks. I go for the Spark, which of course takes Gyarados down. Next one is Quaxly. I will switch out to my Prinplup. Okay, I know Grass Knot. That of course sends Quaxly down. And the other Pokemon is a Flogel. The next Grass Knot will take it down. It goes for the Ice Fang. Grass Knot, and this is it. We beat it. Wake. And we have what badge? We have Fen badge.